EFI Superwide roll-to-roll printer add-ons can change the way you print forever. Our end-to-end inline finishing workflow is the only one of its kind, enabling you to slit, label, cut, and collect on the fly. Our patented workflow replaces dedicated, costly finishing equipment, saves valuable time, prevents finishing errors, and increases yield. Adjustable Y-slitters are easily installed for trimming off excess margins during printing. Our Y-slitters, single or double-bladed, can also be used to separate multiple jobs on a single full-width media. While your file is being printed, the ID backprint feature prints key file information on the rear of the media for easy and accurate identification of the finished roll during packing, shipping, and installation. When printing is completed, our roll-to-sheet X cutter automatically cuts the ready image off the roll, quickly and accurately. Production time is unaffected. Printed cut sheets coming out of production are collected on our adjustable length sheet collector and stacked for efficient and orderly packaging. Our collapsible collectors have a small footprint, making them easy to store. Just before removing the media, our Media Saving Wizard prints a stamp on the rim of the roll with the remaining amount. This enables you to optimize your media management and avoid costly errors due to miscalculations. Take your printing capabilities to an entirely new level with EFI's Superwide roll-to-roll printer add-ons.